Pessoal, muito bem, nós estamos aqui com Eleonora da Schenzi. Ela é italiana, arquiteta, está fazendo um PhD em Design agora. E ela participou conosco, tanto em Santiago quanto aqui em Porto, da nossa apresentação, a apresentação NeuroLab em relação aos biosensores. E aí a gente vai comentar aqui um pouquinho sobre como foi essa experiência para ela. Leonora, first of all, thank you very much for your time to be with us during the exercise, during the experience, and here at this moment too. And we'd like to know how it was for you to have contact with the biosensors and the matrix and the way that we can translate it to architecture at the same time that you are so linked with neuroscientists and psychologists and things like that. How was your experiencing having touch with that and with this knowledge and with these tools?
I think that actually it has been an amazing experience because I have the opportunity to understand how neuroarchitecture and neuroscience can combine through, for example, neurosensors, which is for sure just one of the examples of this tangible approach, but definitely it helps me a lot to understand the direction that we can take it. And I also love how you treat this aspect because since the beginning you say that this is one of the main fields in which we can work, but it's important to respect the boundaries between psychologists, neuroscientists, architects. So everybody's going to do his specific job, but working together. So architects want to pretend to be, say, neuroscientists or psychologists and so on. And you also took another important thing, in my opinion, which is the importance of ethic. So this is the first thing, this is the base.
The base, yeah. And you are doing your PhD now.
Yeah.
And this kind of metrics, measurements, this kind of methodology to work, can you feel that something that architects and designers will in the near future really use it?
Well, this is a hard question because I don't actually know if architects in general can use this stuff for visual reactions in some way, but 100% I'm sure that it could be very interesting to go in depth and understand if they work or if they do not work in a practical in a practical way. But for sure, for my PhD, I'm going to try to understand, for example, the use of HRV and to see what will be the experience. So I have a lot of open questions, and that's why I think in my opinion that will work, but I'm not 100% sure.
It's a hypothesis.
It's an hypothesis, but which is something very important because we all talk about neuroarchitecture, but sometimes it seems that there are not concrete base, and this is a concrete base. And we'll see what will happen.
And actually we are creating a kind of environment that we are together, but each one take care of each specific moment, specific times and tasks. So, Eleonora, thank you very much for this time with us. Nós precisamos liberar a Eleonora porque já está começando a atividade lá, então só agradecer muitíssimo. Em português we say muito obrigado.
Obrigada.
Grazie mille.
Grazie mille.
Grazie mille, that's perfect. Ok, so acompanhem aí que tem muita mais coisas do NeuroLab aqui no Moving Boundaries. Vamos lá. Eleonora, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye to Brazil. Bye bye.
Hi, bye bye Brazil.